The best thing about a knife is not just how sharp it is when it's new, but how long it's gonna last to you. My name is Marianna. I'm with Lifetime Kitchen. We focus in all sorts of knives, primarily Japanese and German steel. We do have some lines that we feature. This is one of our store lines. These over here is gonna be one of our German lines. Everything else that you're gonna see is gonna be Japanese knives. And as you can tell, there's several different shapes. Each shape has a use that it's recommended for. The way that Damascus knives are made, they have a core cut in metal in the center, and they have layers of stainless steel folded over and over. So all those wiggly lines there are gonna be different layers of metal folded on the cutting metal. And then the handle, it's made with olive wood. Our store brand has a lifetime warranty. We will sharpen it for you for free up to 2 times a year at the store when you buy the knives with us, of course. We have everything that you need for your kitchen. We focus on having good quality products so that you're gonna have them forever. We have knives, we have olive oils and vinegars, we have coffee makers, we have appliances, anything that you need to equip your kitchen with good quality product, that's what we have for you.